back to our channel. Hope you all are doing great, taking care of your health and hygiene and obeying your elders. I want to repeat the same thing. Only a healthy body can possess a healthy mind. So, take care of your health and keep learning and exploring the beautiful world around you. So, today's activity will be comparison between more and less. If I give you 2 chocolates and I keep 3 chocolates with me, would it be a balance? Write in the comments. How many chocolates am I taking? 3. How many chocolates am I giving to you? 2. Which one is more? So write in the comment section which one is more. I'm taking 3 chocolates and I'm offering you 2 chocolates only. So that is what we are going to learn today, comparison of more or less. As we all know, Footprints follows high school curriculum. So let me discuss the KDIs. The KDI of this activity is speed. Okay children, for this comparison more less activity we require few material, 2 big containers with the label more less on it. Do you all know? More means very much, there's too much, and less means fewer. So we have got different items on this table. I've got, do you know what is this? Different colored pom-pom balls. Okay, and my favorite aluminium foil homemade balls and few toys. Okay, so we are going to put these items on these 2 containers and you will have to guess which one is more and which one is less. Okay, so first I'm removing these labels. Wow, can you hear the sound? Beautiful sound. Okay, we have got 2 baskets. Not in this basket. Okay, I have few questions for you and I'll be eagerly waiting for your reply. Which basket has more aluminium foil balls? Okay, this basket or this basket? Question number 1. Question number 2. Which basket has more pom-poms? Okay, and question number 3, which basket has more items? Okay, from my point of view, this basket has more items and this basket has more pom-poms. This basket has only fewer pom-poms, 1, 2, 3, 4, only fewer pom-poms, and this basket has more aluminium foil balls. This basket has fewer aluminium foil balls. So I am going to add this label of more in this basket and this label of less in this basket. Here's the concept of more, less. Now here comes the time for clean up. So I would like to sing my favorite song, Clean Up. I'll take out these cutouts and I will choose to put my pom-pom balls in this container so that I can secure them and use them for some other activities of my choice. Okay, and I will also secure my favorite aluminium foil balls in different container, just not to create mess. Am I done with pom-pom balls? Can you see any ball remaining in the container? Please help me out. Point out. Okay. Yes, the balls are. Are they trying to hide? Okay. Secure the container. Keep it aside. I'm taking out the toys. I'm taking out my aluminium foil balls. You know what? These balls are really very happening, very important for me because I can do plenty of experiments using these balls. Okay. Clean up. Everybody clean up. Clean up. Everybody clean up. Clean up. Clean up. Everybody. Here comes the time for word wall. I chose 3 words from this activity. You can add and comment your words from this activity in the comment section. So speak aloud with me. M-O-R-E, more. L-E-S-S, less. T-O-Y, toy. Keep practicing, keep learning, keep exploring the beautiful world. Thank you so much. So we are done with the activity of comparison. Hope you are clear with the concept of more, less. Thank you so much for giving your precious time, and hope you are learning and exploring the activities in your own way. So hello parents, do not forget to observe your child and do write short notes in the comment section. Let's do two-way communication. I'm here. We'll be waiting for your response. Thank you so much for watching. See you again.